Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. Nike shares rose 2.5% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The US dollar was firmer against major currencies after the Fed left interest rates unchanged, as widely expected. Fed officials made a unanimous decision to keep the overnight interest rate in the current 4.25 to 4.5% range. US equity indexes dipped and Treasury yields pushed higher after the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady and gave little insight into when further reductions in borrowing costs may take place. Oil prices fell, with the US benchmark touching a multi-week low after crude stockpiles in the world's top petroleum producer and consumer rose more than expected last week. The White House reaffirmed Trump's plan to impose 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
Australia's export price index will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Australia's import price index at 0:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index will be released at 13:30 GMT. Germany's import price index at 7 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.